In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the necessary modules installed. For that, go to your Odoo dashboard and look for the Install a Module option. You can find that option right on the Apps page. If you aren't sure where to find it, no worries. Just follow the link in the description to make things easier. Now, once you're on the module install page, type in Purchase in the search bar and hit the Install button. This step is essential because without the Purchase module, you won't be able to create any purchase orders. Once the module is installed, you should now see the Purchase application on your Odoo dashboard. Click on the icon to open it up. This is where all the magic happens. Now let's create a new request for quotation, or RFQ for short. Look for the New or Create button within the Purchase application and click on it. This will open a blank quotation form where you can start filling in the details. The next step is to select your vendor. You can do this by using the Vendor drop-down menu where you'll see a list of your suppliers. Just choose the one from whom you want to make a purchase. This makes it easier to track who you're ordering from and ensures accurate record keeping. Now, it's time to set some important dates. On the form, you'll find fields for the order deadline and the expected arrival date. The order deadline is the date by which you need to confirm the order, while the expected arrival date is when the vendor promises to deliver the goods. Accurate dates are crucial as they help manage your expectations on delivery. Next, let's talk about adding products to your order. Under the Products tab, you'll notice an Add a Product button. Click on that, and a list of available items will appear. Select the product you wish to order, and then specify the quantity and unit price. This step not only defines what you're purchasing, but also helps in calculating overall costs. Once you have entered the product details, it's a good idea to double-check everything. Go to the Other Information tab, where you can verify the taxes, payment terms, and fiscal positions associated with your purchase. This helps ensure there are no surprises down the road. If you're ready to send this purchase order to your vendor, Odoo gives you an option to send it directly via email. Just click on the Send by Email button within the quotation form, and it will allow you to send a PDF version of the quotation. Finally, once both you and your vendor agree on the terms, you can confirm the order. To do this, click the Confirm Order button. Completing this action changes the document status from an RFQ to a confirmed purchase order, and it will also initiate the delivery process. And that's it. You've successfully created a purchase order in Odoo. Remember, this process not only helps streamline your purchasing, but also ensures that all transactions are well documented. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy purchasing!